I don't know much about your culture, okay? I choose you, and that means all of you, including your loved ones.
Yung mga ganitong bagay, hindi biro-biro to. Huwag natin gawing biro kasi hindi talaga dapat pinagtitripan ng mga baklang baliw.
Napag-desisyonan ko, ipaampong ka. Dahil alam ko, mas magiging mabuti ang buhay mo sa kanila.
Ate, for once, maybe you need to let me make my own decisions.
Just let him go for now. If he needs to, Paco will find his way back here.
So what do you think? I'm sure you're gonna be happy here.
I think the real question here is, if I stay here, will that make you happy? They want to take me away from you and your mom.
You're not going anywhere. We love you, and you know that.
Thank you, Nak.
Ready na kayo?
Ready na?